Hi, my name is Priya. I'm going to do a scene from Titanic. It's called the I Am Flying scene. Just before the scene, Jack and Rose meet at night, and because of their classes, because Rose is of a higher class and Jack is of a lower class, and Rose is engaged to a high class man, so their family doesn't want them to meet, and so Rose tries to jump off the ship and take her life, but then Jack comes and saves her. So this scene is after that, and at the beginning of the scene, the sound of the ship is diegetic sound, and of the water. We can see a medium shot of Jack here, and most of the shots in this scene are medium shots, and also they are shown from medium ways so that they can only focus on the main two characters.
Hello, Jack.
Here Rose is wearing a black and white dress which contrasts with the natural lighting of the sky. The main dominant of this scene is Rose because she comes out of this situation and she follows her heart to come and be with Jack.
I changed my mind. They said you were there.
Give me your hand.
Also at the background we see the sunset, which is done inside a set using orange background, and also they have used natural lighting in this of the sky and the sun, which was really hard for James Cameron to shoot as there was no sunlight during the shooting of the scene, so he had to use both natural light and also set lighting.
Close your eyes. Go on.
We see a close-up of Rose here, which tells us that Jack has a strong personality in this scene, and also he tries to make Rose brave enough to go with him and stand at the edge of the ship.
Step up. And hold on to the railing. Keep your eyes closed. Don't peek.
I'm not.
Step up onto the railing. Hold on. Hold on. Keep your eyes closed. Trust me.
In this shot, there is also a bird's eye view shot of this and of the following this, because it shows that they are actually flying and makes the audience feel that they're flying. And also the lighting is only focuses on the main two characters in the scene.
I trust you.
Alright. Open your eyes.
The form of this shot is closed form image, which basically shows the necessary elements of the scene, which are the main two characters, Jack and Rose, because it shows their happiness between the two couple, and also they are in profile in this shot. We also see in this scene that they both are happy with each other rather than knowing that they are from different classes and they won't be able to be together. But Rose follows her heart and she comes and joins Jack in the edge of the ship and tries to be with him. up of both of them. It tells like they both are happy with each other and want to be with each other. Also, the lighting used is mostly focused on Rose because Jack is just standing behind her, and this scene tries only to focus on Rose and tries to tell us that Rose is the main character in this film, although Jack is, and tries to show their love story. We also hear the non-diegetic sound in here, which is the song which represents their love story, and it comes in the scene most probably because it tells us we see in this scene for the first time the song because it shows us their love story is about to begin, and yeah, that's it. Any questions?
Thank you. Any questions? Danita.
Well, I've seen the whole movie, but would you say that this scene is like the most cinematic scene throughout the film?
Yes, I would say it's the most cinematic scene because they have used lots of different kinds of shots, and also they have used like both natural lighting and also lighting from the set, which I think is only mostly done in this scene because other scenes are mostly dark, and this has like most of the lighting in the scene.
Paola.
What kind of lighting would you say is being shown throughout this scene?
There is natural lighting like the sky and the sun mostly, but the sun setting, which is behind both of them, is shown by the orange background, which is done inside a studio.
There is, can you come back to that close-up shot where we see Rose? Is it Rose?
Yeah,
Rose, yeah, this shot, why do you think the camera was more focused on Rose?
Because before this scene, she knew that she fell in love with Jack, and because of their high classes, the family doesn't allow them to meet, and also Rose is engaged to a high-class businessman. The camera is focused on her because she followed her heart and came to meet Jack, and she's happy in it, that's why. Yes.
The majority of the scene is shown on the ship. Do you know for a fact if majority of the ship was an actual ship that they built, or was a lot of it in CGI, especially when they zoom out?
The ship was built in an island in Mexico. They built the ship for using as a set, and yes, it was an actual ship they built for using it in the movie.
Thanks.
Thank you very much, Pia.